check out and see how the car's doing. In fact, I'm a little bit scared of going inside.
We just rebuilt it with aluminium rods, drilled holes on it, and put bolts and nuts through it. So I'm sure the guy who built this car is going to be thinking, shit, this is a better idea than whatever they fucking did with it.